Friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I am chatting all about our favorite water bottles made by Owala. Start off by thanking Owala for sponsoring today's video and sending over a bunch of these water bottles for my family to try out and share with you guys. So I was really excited when Owala had reached out to me. You guys know I don't do a whole heck of a lot of sponsor content here on my channel, and I only share products with you guys that I've either already tried out, I know that I love, or something that I think you guys are really gonna like. So I was excited for this particular partnership, and I know that you guys are going to love these particular water bottles. So this one here, I'll start off by sharing the stainless steel insulated water bottles, and then I'll kind of move on to some of the other ones and share with you guys the little features about Owala that sets them apart from other water bottle companies and why we love them. So this one here, like I said, is the one that I have had the longest. I purchased it on Amazon a few months back, and it is a really pretty like white chalk color that's accented in gray. So I just really love the overall look of it. I'll go through some of the features of it in just a minute, but I want to show you the colors and the sizes first. So this one here is 32 ounces. This is one of the ones that Owala had sent over to me in this like bright, fun pink color. This one is 24 ounces. So if you're kind of between these two sizes, I would probably go for the 32 ounce because I feel like the overall footprint of the water bottle, if you will, is not that much bigger. The 32 ounce is obviously a little bit wider, you can see here, but I have no problems fitting this inside a lot of my bags. It fits in the cup holder of my car really well. So I would probably go with this one. This is also though a great option for you as well if you have like smaller things you need to carry it in. If maybe you're looking to get it for like a school-aged kid, middle school, high school, something like that doesn't necessarily need this bigger one. It's always fun to kind of have both options. So like I said, this one is the 32 ounce one, this one being a 24 ounce one. This one is mine. Well, they're both kind of mine if we're being honest. I use both of them. This one here is my husband's. It is the same, it's this 24 ounce one. It's in this like sleek black color. He loves it. He takes it hiking all the time. He takes it on long walks. He's definitely commented about how much he likes the opening of the top of this particular water bottle, which I'll show you in just a second. And it kind of takes a lot for him to comment on water bottles. Like he's a guy, so he's like kind of goes with the flow, but he actually did comment saying that he really liked this particular water bottle against some of the other ones that we've had. So this is the black, like I said, like a nice sleek black and a bright pop of pink. Then you have the bottles that are not stainless steel or insulated. They're just like regular plastic water bottles. As you can see, these have been used like crazy. This one I literally just pulled in from the back pool deck because we have been using them daily this summer. We've traveled with them to the beach, we've taken them to the park. They have lived outside on our back pool deck the entire summer. So they wear really well. I don't have any problems with them besides, you know, the normal kind of wear from them getting dirty or whatever. They wash really great. I hand wash all of them. I kind of do that with my water bottles anyway. And we really only put water inside of them just to kind of keep them fresh and nice. This one is really fun because it is a purple color. It has, this is my daughter's, it has a green kind of trim at the top, but on the inside, you can see the straw is like bright pink. So it's really fun, especially because it's like a clear bottle. It's like fun to have that pop of color inside. This one here, actually the straw is out because my son wasn't using it, but it's the same. It has like green and then this like lime yellow color at the top. Really fun colors. Owala has a ton of different colors, even more than what I'm sharing here. And then this one here is my son's water bottle, my oldest. It is blue and it is trimmed in this teal color. So when you get them, this is actually the only one, for whatever reason it's still on here, I don't know why, but it wasn't on purpose, but they have like cute little stickers here on the water bottle It says lift to unlock, and this here is the handle that's attached to the top of the water bottle. And then it says push button, so you know exactly where to push to kind of open your water bottle. And then it says nicely done, free sip spout right there. So that's kind of how it comes when you order the water bottle, which is fun because it all kind of talks you through it. But this here is what the top of the water bottle looks like. I'm gonna go in and actually show you on, let's show you on my daughter's, since this one is empty and I actually have water in this one. So at the very top, like I just kind of touched on, you have a little handle here. These water bottles are completely leak proof. I have not had any issues with them at all, like traveling, rolling on the ground, being in the car, all of that. They just don't leak. They really don't. You have like the handle that you can have down here on the side, or you can pop it up here to attach it to whatever, or carry it, or what have you. Then this little push button here, you can open up, and you have two different options to drink out of this water bottle. You have the big spout opening here. It's like a big circle opening, and you can chug water that way, or this little tiny hole here is attached to the straw that is inside of the bag, inside of the bottle, so you can use the straw option. So it's all built in. You can literally choose whenever you're drinking it if you want to use the straw or if you want to use the spout. It's all in one, and they're so easy to clean because all you have to do is detach the straw part, and all of it comes together right here. So it's like two little pieces. You don't have a little piece that attaches to the straw and then attaches to here and all of that. It's just really, really easy to clean. It has like leak-proof suction on the very top of it. So like I said, there's really just no issues with it. I highly recommend these. I really like the water bottles. I'll show you here kind of on my personal one. Again, it's the same concept. You lift up the handle here, you have a push top button, and then you have your spout opening or your straw opening. So there you have it. That is pretty much the Owala water bottles in a nutshell. I love them. I will have the links to everything below. Once again, I want to thank Owala for kind of teaming up with me today and sponsoring the video and working with me to share these bottles with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, if you want to see how they fit in a particular bag, if you're between colors or sizes or what have you, shoot me a message. I'm always happy to help, either here or over on Instagram or email. You guys know where to find me. So I'll talk to you on my next video. Have a great day.